symbolizes the Asian Greek ideal of self-discipline.
Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we have the personification of Athena with us. Please welcome our reigning goddess of wisdom, Miss Trisha May S. Dimabaya.
Learning to bear a helm towards societal change and learning to fight for victory. Believe in yourself that you can contribute more for the betterment of your society. Challenge yourself to be the answer for societal change. Spread the love, respect, and unity in one another. Be responsible enough and learn to be productive citizen of your community as well as your country. Downfall may come along the way, but with great determination and exceptional dedication, your vision will turn into reality. Nothing can stop a heart who is willing to take risks just to achieve the highest peak. You will experience failure, and that's for sure. But remember, it's a must to rise and begin again, for true successors believe that giving up is not an option. Every day, you make giant steps, for every single day brings different learnings and opportunities. Have courage to use everything you've learned in the future. Dare yourself to make opportunities rather than wait. As according to an English philosopher, Francis Bacon, a wise man will make more opportunities rather than defiance. Living is learning. Therefore, cherish every single day of your existence, whereas it can make a big transformation in your entire life. When dark times suddenly come, let your tears fall, but make sure to wipe them up and learn to smile again. You are precious. You can make change. You are wiser than you know.
Light is universal, that we often take it for granted, not knowing that the whole world will rapidly change with the absence of light. Because the light that comes into our eyes is the only miraculous thing that makes seeing possible.
As a moment of this acquaintance, our beloved juniors have prepared something for our dear seniors. Now, together let us witness the candlelight ceremony.
Here we have Mr. Joshua Salomon together with Miss Janelle De Vera.
Mr. Yoshiki Sakurai together with Miss Kyle Nicole Cruz. For our next pair, Mr. Ivan Paul Ancheta together with Miss Oniros Muto. For next in line, Mr. Richmond Kayabyab together with Miss Joanna Carlos.
Next, we have Mr. John Leslie Pimentel together with Miss Carla Marie de la Torre.
For our next pair, let's welcome Mr. Carl Benedict Borlas together with Miss Isabel Charisma Prioni.
Next, we have Mr. Adrian Panggalangan together with Miss Jen Pauline Palo.
Okay, next in line, let's welcome Mr. Ronald Cadiz together with Cyril Tara of Oo.
Next in line is Mr. Jonathan Calma and Miss Jasmine Usi.
Okay, next in line, let's welcome Mr. Michael Sanyas and Miss Danine Kitchen Casal.
Our next pair is Mr. Christian Taranco and Miss Clarice Joy Alonso.
For our next pair, let's welcome Mr. Kenneth Taranco together with Miss Jerica Corbuz.
Next pair is Mr. Alert Mendoza and Mr. Ken Jonas Cayabyab and Miss Gwyneth Gonzalez.
Okay, for our next pair, let's welcome Mr. Albert de la Cruz together with Miss Maria Isabel Jose.
Next in line is Mr. Kevin Ramos and Miss Roshan Manalese.
Next in line, let's welcome Mr. Angelo Tabra together with Miss Charlene Garcia.
Next pair is Mr. Ian Espinosa and Miss Janelle Christine Masangke.
For our next pair, let's welcome Mr. Isel Alchemy Shogo together with Samantha Cortez.
Let us also welcome Mr. Hubert Marcos together with Miss Odette Ann Dantes.
Okay, for our next pair, let's welcome Mr. Mark Malyari together with Miss Hannah Cortez.
Next in line is Mr. Vivier Villanueva together with Miss Marjorie Manluca.
Okay, let's welcome our next pair, Mr. Alert Mendoza together with Miss Odette and Dantes.
And lastly, we have Mr. Joshua Francis Ramos together with Miss Micaela Joyce Bautista.